How to fix YouTube recap not showing, quick and easy. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more YouTube tips and fixes. If your YouTube recap is not showing, don't worry, this is a common issue. Follow these quick steps. First, make sure you are logged in to the correct YouTube account. YouTube recap only appears on the account you actively use for watching videos. Next, update the YouTube app to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Outdated apps often don't show new features. Now check your watch history. Go to Settings, History and Privacy, and make sure Watch History is turned on. If your watch history is paused, YouTube recap will not appear. Also, understand that YouTube recap is rolled out gradually. Not every user gets it at the same time, and some accounts may not receive it at all. Try switching your app language to English and restart the app. This sometimes helps the recap card appear. Another important step, you need to have enough watch activity. New or inactive accounts may not qualify for recap. Finally, log out of YouTube, restart your phone, and log back in. Important note, there is no manual button to force YouTube recap to appear. If it's not showing, you must wait until YouTube enables it for your account. Final summary, update app, enable watch history, use active account, wait for rollout. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment recap fixed below.